How to increase video quality in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up your Capcut application and then tap on any of the projects that you want. After selecting on the project, can make the required edits from here at the bottom of the screen. You can see different menu bars from audio, text, effects to stickers and background. So after doing all the edits, you can see the quality resolution at the top of the screen over here. So just tap on that and here you can see the resolutions of the quality that you want. So right now it's in 1080 pixel. Now to keep up to 2K or 4K quality, you can just take it to that level where you want to have that quality of video. Then you just have to tap on export and it will start exporting and your video quality will be increased in CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it.